Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Lynn, and in this video I'm going to be doing a product review on some lashes that I got from Amazon. Now these lashes were $10, so you get what you pay for, but they did come in 2 days because Amazon Prime. And right now I have on a pair of the lashes, and these are my last pair. Okay, so these lashes, from what you can see, let me get a little bit closer. So when I say they are everyday lashes, yeah, if this is your type of style. Most of my lashes that I have are pretty dramatic, so this is kind of toned down from the lashes I usually wear. So as you can see, these are lashes, and these I have on. Pretty lashes, okay? But like I said, you get what you pay for. So let me talk about the packaging. So it came in this nice beautiful packaging. 5 pair of lashes. They were under $10. After taxes, of course, it came up to $10. And like I said, I was wearing the lashes like people normally wear lashes and stuff, but I'm gonna hold myself accountable for my actions and say that it was kind of my fault, because I like to wash my lashes, so I let the lashes soak in some nice warm soapy water, not too hot, okay, and not too cold. I let it sit in a bowl with some warm soapy water, and when I went to, you know, peel the glue off, some of the lashes went with From how the lashes are put together, they're kind of fragile, so you have to be kind of gentle if you do decide to get lashes from Amazon. Now the way I found these lashes, I just typed in lashes 25 mm, you know, whatever the girls be talking about, because I usually get my lashes from this one place, but they haven't been selling like that. So with the lashes, I put it in the water, I took them out, and they started to fall apart. Now, if I were to do this again, I would say I'd probably use cold water and probably not have it sitting in a bowl of soap. I'll probably gently individually rub the soap on it, let it sit for a minute, and then peel the glue off as gently as possible. But you get what you pay for. Also, I'm not a person that just sprays alcohol on my lashes and just puts them on. I have to clean them because I be wearing colorful makeup, and I be wanting to get that glue off and stuff. So I got the glue off, and I kind of got the glue off from what the lashes were sticking to the strip. So listen, okay, you get what you pay for. That's what I'm gonna say. You get what you pay for. But like I said, these eyelashes came. They were nice and pretty. Would I order them again? Yes. It's just that I'll probably do them for everyday use, where I'm not really wearing eye makeup like that. And if I were to clean them, I would take my time. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all my other videos as well. And I will see you in my next video. I'm going to be doing a review on Ali Ko's vegan makeup